you to hold that paw. That one. Yeah. Actually, I don't know if it'll fit, but try. I've got big hands, so it might fit. I have man hands. I know they're going to be tight. Just so you don't get scratched. Those are Kevlar line gloves. I started with welding gloves and the cats bit right through them. They're useless. So just grab that paw. Yeah, just grab hold of it. Good boy.
Hey, it's okay.
And just
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's kind of good pushing through this because I don't want you to think he's going to rule the session or even the next time he comes back, because then they think they've won. That was the first lesson I learned from animals 40 years ago. If you let them win the battle, they will always win. So I want him to realize that we're not going to hurt him, but you're not going to win this battle either, you little monkey. Okay? Okay, it's not that bad. Oh my goodness. All right. You are a force to be reckoned with. At the same time, your cat will not be injured. He's just mad as hell. Well, I don't know. He just is such a goofball.
Bro, it's okay.
I'm gonna tear my clipper off. I've had to do this with dogs.
It's okay.
I want him to just feel the clipper in between his legs.
It's okay.
See?
Hey,
It's not hurting you. I've never had to do this with a cat, but I'm doing it with him.
it's okay.
Good. It doesn't hurt. Look,
Okay.
silly.
Okay.
Silly. Boo boo.
It's okay.
Let's talk goofy talk to Kitty. Oh, there's a good boy. That doesn't hurt.
It's okay.
What's it touching on your armpit? Oh my. No. Okay, grab that paw. Or not. Oh, he's being tough. So tough. Fuck. Ah. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just don't even know what to do with him. He has been so tough, just really stubborn. Okay, so am I. I've got blood pouring all over me, but I'm gonna get this mother. Okay, yeah, grab a strap.
It's okay. It's okay.
Now you're starting to get me mad.
It's okay.
We're doing it. We're getting it. Oh, he's just stubborn, but look at now he's letting me do it.
It's okay.
Good. Good boy. Very good. Good kitty. Oh. Oh. I look like a butcher today. Okay. You know what? I think he's had enough. I got most of it out. He's not perfect today, but yes, he absolutely needs gabapentin. Okay. Holy mackerel.